Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says, in which case change in entropy, that is delta S, is negative. So we have four options. Option A, B, C and D. Option A says evaporation of water. Option B is expansion of a gas at constant temperature. Option C is sublimation of solid to gas. Option D is 2H in gaseous form react to form H2 gaseous. So let's first understand the key concept involved in this question. So जो key concept involved हुआ है, it is to understand the change in entropy during different physical and chemical process. Physical and chemical process. So entropy change, we know it is a measure of randomness in the system. So किसी भी सिस्टम के randomness को दर्शाता है. What is? That is delta S. Randomness of a system. So this delta S can be positive or negative depending upon the nature of the process. So we'll understand when it is positive and when it is negative. So delta S is positive when it is greater than 0. So when it is greater than 0, when the disorder, or we can also call it as randomness of a system, increases. So vice versa, that is delta S will be a negative value when delta S is less than 0. So this results when the disorder of the system decreases. So we'll take each process one by one and try to understand. So option A में जो process दिया गया है वो है evaporation of water. So evaporation of water clearly indicates that water which is in liquid form is changing into a gaseous form, that is H2O liquid is converted to H2O gas. And we know that gas have higher entropy than liquids. Therefore, in this process, delta S is greater than 0. That is, delta S is a positive value. Next, we'll see the next process given in option B, which is expansion of a gas at constant temperature, that is at T is equal to constant. When a gas expands at a constant temperature, क्या होता है? Volume increases and the gas molecules have more space to. Volume increase होने के कारण क्या होता है? Gas molecules have more space to move around. This increases the disorder. So increase in disorder indicates that delta S is greater than 0. That is, delta S is a positive value. Next, we'll move on to the next process given in option C, that is sublimation of solid to gas. So sublimation is a direct transition of something which is in solid form to a gaseous form. Gaseous have more entropy. So this we know that gas molecules have more entropy or more disorder than solid. So this will have less entropy. So less entropy से more entropy में convert हो रहा है, that means disorder is being increased here. Therefore delta S is greater than 0, that is delta S here is a positive value. So we are left with the last option, that is given in option D. Last process given in option D, that is formation of H2 gas from two hydrogen atoms present in gaseous form. So in this reaction, two hydrogen atom reacts to form a hydrogen molecule gaseous. So two hydrogen atoms combine to form one hydrogen. So the number of particles decreases. So here the particles are 2 in number and here it is 1. So 2 moles reacted to form 1 mole. So this reduces the disorder of the system. Reduces the disorder. Reduces the disorder of the system. So decrease in disorder indicates that delta S is less than 0, that is delta S is a negative value. So based on our analysis, we can clearly say that the only option which is negative is option D, which is two hydrogen atom forming one hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule. Hope you all have understood. All the best.